Today we are making okro soup. This is goat meat. I'll be using frozen goat meat. This is goat meat. This is cow leg, the bottom part of cow leg and goat meat. I'll be using the pressure pot to cook it because the cow leg is strong. Cook it for like 15 minutes so that it gets tender before I can use it to cook the okra soup. I don't want a strong beef in my soup. I'll be seasoning it with salt and I'll be using local pepper. I won't use all now, just a little to give the meat sweet taste. And I'll be using knorr, just a pack, a knorr of knorr that is 2 cubes in it. So we have 2 cubes. I'll just stir it and add a little onions, just a little. So I'll cover the pressure pot. See how fresh the okra is. So fresh. And now this is time for us to cut it. I don't know how you love your okra, but me, I love cutting it big and I love grating it. But this is how I cut mine. We're not gonna allow it to waste. Cut it very well. This okra is so fresh to let it waste. Do you use here to grate your okra, or you prefer the big one, or this way? This place is very smooth. This will make your soup draw very well. So I'll be adding the palm oil. I'll fry the onions for a little while. It's not gonna bleach. I don't want it to bleach. Just a little palm oil. Onions. I'll stir it. I'll add this grated okra to fry for a little while so that the soup is gonna draw. That's why I blended it like this. Add crayfish to fry together with the okra. Then this local yellow pepper, I'll add it so that everything fries together. I'll get all the spices and everything in the soup. I'll be adding the the meat that has boiled, the goat meat and the cow meat. I'll add it now. So I'll stir it to cook for a while before I add every other thing. I'll add snail and stockfish. This is the stockfish, so that it will cook for a while before I'll add the big chopped okra. Add the big chunks of okra. So this is it. I chopped it with a knife. I love chewing my okra when I'm eating my swallow. I love chewing it. So I cut this one's big. See? It's very slimy. This one you can just do it. After cooking it, you just lick it. You don't want to enjoy it with any swallow. Just lick it and it's a perfect meal. I'll be adding periwinkle, fresh Isam, also known as periwinkle. You Calabar we know it as fiom fiom. Mfi, we call it mfi. This is Uziza leaf. I love using Uziza leaf. Some people use kazi, whatever, but me, I prefer Uziza. See how beautiful this pot of soup looks. Just bring your swallow and come and have a taste of this soup. Crayfish for that final taste. And I'll put up the fire.